Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my channel MK Traders. This channel is created only for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about the technical analysis. Please don't take any trade based on my analysis. Conduct your own analysis and take the trades. And welcome to weekly market review. May first week, the brand new month started. So we see Nifty and Bank Nifty. What are all the directions in higher time frame? I taking a higher time frame, that is monthly, weekly, and daily. For intraday, 4 hour and 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes charts also. Here I'm already marked my chart Nifty and Bank Nifty monthly, daily, and weekly also. Let's see. This is Nifty chart. In Nifty chart, from the past so many months, Nifty price moves in a channel pattern. That is, see here, started a rally and find some resistance and back to support area and make some hesitation here. That's the range, and this range breaks, then back to resistance. That's the first, second, this one first and second, and back to support. That is this trend line, and take support here and went back a beautiful rally up to resistance zone, that is here, and here start another a small channel. Maybe this channel is cleared in the weekly time frame. After that, then again find some resistance here. Due to corona pandemic, price drops heavily and break the lower leg of the channel. See here, this is a support area and breaks this channel, and again it back to the support area. That's the back to channel area, price back to channel area, and then it breaks above the channel leg. That's the upper leg of the channel is broken out. So then you will see price, Nifty price traded above the channel. So these leg acting as a support. We see some retracement, that is the pullback up to this upper leg of the channel. Then we will see another move to outside. In weekly time frame, a upward channel. Nifty price moves in upward channel. See here, price finds support, resistance, and back to support, and a rally and hesitation, and back to support, and back to support. A big rally here and back to support area, and then again a resistance, upper leg of the channel, resistance area. This is the resistance zone. Now this one is support, support, support. This trend line is a very strong support trend line. Then this trend line here, it broken out. So broken out and see some pullback here. Then these candle pin bar, this candle we call it's a pin bar. Maybe drag the price downside. this pin bar maybe drive the price to another support zone, that is around 13,500 range in weekly time frame. Let's see daily time frame. In daily time frame, it moves in downward channel. So here weekly resistance hit and then back to support zone, back to resistance and back to support and back to support and hit the resistance again. Now price move back to this support here zone, or else if price back and breaks this level, we will see another up move. But until this channel breaks, until the daily channel, if breaks downside, then we will see a down move. If break upside, we will see an up move. According to the weekly pin bar, price might be some bearish push up to this lower leg of the channel. In our frame, in hourly chart, Nifty, see, is facing some sort of a support zone here, here, makes a rally and back to support, hit the daily level of resistance and then back to support. If we find something is any reversal here, then we will make a, we'll see another push to the outside. If this breaks, then we'll see some pullback and back to this support area. This is the possible direction in Nifty. And Bank Nifty, this also price moves in a channel, started here and find some resistance and back to support and back to this is a heavy rally and find some resistance here. This is the resistance zone and resistance zone. Here, due to coronavirus pandemic, price break below this support zone, that is the lower leg of the channel now, and again it back to channel range, then again it started and hit the upper leg of the channel. Now that's the resistance zone. We will see some price down to this area, price come down to this area and then a move upward. In weekly time frame, in weekly time frame also a sorts of upward channel, see, this is the breakout and then again back to support area. See here how this line acts as support and support, then price hit back, this hit the support zone, then price bounced here, but price makes a rejection around this zone, so we expect some down move on Bank Nifty also. Let's see daily time frame. In daily time frame also Nifty moves in a channel. This is the resistance area, resistance, now hit the resistance, now price back to maybe another push to the downside. Try to hit the lower leg of the channel, but in hour 4 time frame, price hit the resistance area and back to support area. Here we saw a range. This range already broken and make one rally here, finds resistance and back to this area. If we find any reversal here, I will show you clearly. If price hit this line, if we find any reversal around 32,000 level, then we will see another up move, and then this is works as a just a congested zone, or else if price this line breaks this line, then we will see another down. Simple rally, down move, rally, down move, rally, and we expected another rally to the downside. In hourly time frame, Bank Nifty back to this support zone. If we any bounce here, then we will see some another push to the outside, or else if this line breaks, this level breaks, then we will see another downside. That's all. Maybe on Nifty and Bank Nifty, maybe a bearish move to we will accept. I will expecting bearish move. I request you join my Telegram. Option trading using Telegram technical analysis chart. The link given below the description, and more Nifty and Bank Nifty daily and weekly analysis. Please join. Subscribe my YouTube channel also. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and coming week have a profitable one. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.